Today we're making a cozy comfort pasta that's surprisingly healthy. This cabbage and whole grain pasta is warm, satisfying, and perfect for clean eating. We start by cooking whole grain pasta until just al dente. While that cooks, olive oil goes into the pan with fresh garlic. Thinly sliced cabbage is added and slowly caramelized. This step builds natural sweetness and deep flavor without heavy sauces. Once the cabbage is tender and golden, the pasta goes straight into the pan. Everything gets tossed together so the flavors really come together. A little lemon zest brightens the dish, and fresh herbs add balance. You can finish with Parmesan or keep it dairy-free. This is comfort food that fuels your body and fits a healthy lifestyle. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and perfect for weeknight dinners.